Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Ahmad. I am welcoming you to Tauheed Kids TV. From now on, you will find our content in English language to convey our message to the communities who speak in English. Here you will find lot of fun, support activities and moral stories. We will learn here basics of Islam in children's style. While performing our daily activities, we will learn prayers of routine activities, rights of Allah and rights of humans, such as the method of performing ablutions, the method of performing prayers, prayer before sleep, prayer after sleep means we will learn how to live the life in Islamic way. We will looking forward with your suggestions and feedbacks in the comment section, and based on that we will improve our upcoming episodes. Come together with me, we will try to improve ourselves and many other children's life. May Allah keep you and all of us happy and give us the ability to do the work of religion. Ameen. And yes, I am not alone in all of this. I have my brothers and sisters with me.